In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the cash flow feature in QuickBooks with ease and confidence. Whether you're a business owner or just looking after your own finances, understanding cash flow is a key pillar in maintaining financial health. So let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to head over to QuickBooks. This is where all the magic starts. Open your web browser and navigate to the QuickBooks homepage. If you're new to QuickBooks, you'll need to log in using your account credentials. Don't worry if you don't have your login information right now. Just make sure to have it ready for when you follow these steps. Once you're on the QuickBooks homepage, you're ready to move on to the next step. Next, it's time to locate and click on the Cash Flow section. On the QuickBooks homepage, you'll notice several tabs. Among these, there is a tab labeled Cash Flow. Go ahead and click on it. This section is your gateway to viewing and managing the inflows and outflows of your financial resources. By clicking on it, you'll be directed to an area specifically designed for tracking and forecasting cash flow, which is essential for maintaining a steady stream of liquidity for your business needs. Once you're in the cash flow section, look for the option to Make Changes. This is typically visible as a button or link in the cash flow overview. Clicking on Make Changes allows you to customize and tweak your cash flow forecasts or current reports. It's a handy tool, especially if you need a forecast that's tailored to your specific business inputs or if there are changes in your planned financial activities. Finally, you'll come across the option to start planning. Look for the Start Planning button and click on it when you're ready. This feature in QuickBooks is designed to help you plan and organize your financial future according to your business goals. With cash flow planning, you can predict upcoming expenses, understand your future cash position better, and make informed, strategic decisions. The Start Planning feature is particularly powerful because it helps you to visualize your finances, making it easier to prepare for upcoming financial requirements or unexpected changes. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can effectively utilize the cash flow section of QuickBooks. Remember, managing your cash flow is not just about keeping track of dollars and cents, but about planning for the future, making informed decisions, and ensuring the continued financial health of your business or personal finances. Thanks for joining me on this financial journey today. Stay curious and keep exploring new ways to empower your financial acumen with QuickBooks.